Welcome. Now we will solve next 5 questions that we will start from question number 6 till question number 10. Miscellaneous exercise part 1. Okay. So simplify the expressions. It is given 45 divided by 5 plus 20 multiplied with 4 minus 12. So first we know in the given expression, first we are going to solve division, then we will do multiplication. First we will do division. So we will solve. So 45 divided by 5 we will get 9. 45 divided by 5 we will get 9, plus we will write 20 into 4 minus 12. Now we will do the multiplication. So we will get the answer 9 plus 24 is 80 minus 12. Now we will do the addition first and then subtraction. So we will get 9 plus 80. 9 plus 80, 89 minus 12. So 89 minus 12, we will get 9 minus 2, 7 and 8 minus 1, 7. So answer we will get 77. Next it is given 38 minus 8 multiplied with 2 divided by 5 plus 13. So first we will do the bracket. We will solve first. So we will write 38 minus 8, it is 30 multiplied with 2 divided by 5, we can write in this form, plus 13. Now we can do here 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. So we got 6 into 2 plus 13. So 6 2s are 12 plus 13. So answer is 25. Here after dividing we have done multiplication. Now next it is given third one, 5 by 3 plus 4 by 7 divided by 32 by 21. So first we will do the division. This. So we will write 5 by 3 plus 4 by 7. When division is given, we are doing multiplication and this is written in the reciprocal form. So it will become 21 by 32. Now we can write 5 by 3 plus, we have to do this multiplication now first. But if you will, here we can do numerator multiplied with numerator, that is 4 into 21 and 7 into 32. So that will become, now here we can do 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21 and 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. Here it is easily we can divide it. So we got the answer 5 by 3 plus 1 threes are 3 and 1 eights are 8. So now if you will see, it is addition but the denominators are not same. So we can do now 5 into 8 plus 3 into 3 by 3 multiplied with 8. So answer is 5 eights are 40 plus 3 threes are 9 and 3 eights are 24. So it is 49 by 24. We have solved here. Now next the question is given. Uh, 3 into curly bracket 4, which is multiplied with the square bracket, it is given 85 plus 5 minus round bracket 15 divided by 3, then bracket is closed, then square bracket closed, plus 2 curly bracket. So if we will see here curly bracket, in that square bracket and innermost, first we are going to solve the bracket, but we will solve first innermost bracket, that is round bracket. So we will get the answer 3 multiplied with, we can write square, so 4. Now the number is 85 plus 5 minus 15 divided by 3, we will get the answer 5 plus 2, and we will write square bracket since we have solved the this bracket, so it will change now. So it will become now 3 into, we will solve now this. First we will, in this we will do first plus and then minus. So we will write as it is 4. 85 plus 5, it is 90 minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Now we will write 3 into square bracket 4. 90 minus 5, this we will solve. So 90 minus 5, we will get 85. So it will become 4 into 85 plus 2. And 4 into 85 we will put in the bracket because we have solved this, but this is there and we can put the square bracket. Now it will become, now we will solve this. So it will become 3 into, we are going to solve, so we can make a round bracket. So 85 into 4, 8 4s are, we got the answer 340 plus 2 is there. So now it will become 3 into 340 plus 2, we will get 342. So after multiplying now, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 1 3 3s are 9, so 1026. So this is our answer. Underline means that part we have done solved. Question number 7, it is given 5 divided by 12 plus 7 divided by 16. So denominators are not same, so we can write 5 into 16 plus 12 into 7, and here 12 into 16. So 16 5s are, it is 80, and 12 7s are 84, and 12 into 16 we are multiplying, then we will get 192. Now the answer will become 164 by 192. So if we are dividing by 2, so 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, and 2 8s are 16, and 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8, and 1s are 2. So we got now that is equal to 41 by 48, which is not further divisible by the same number. So answer is 41 by 48. Next we will solve. It is given 3 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 4. So first we will convert into the fraction. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, it is 17 by 5 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Now since the denominator is not same, so we will go 17 into 4 minus 9 into 5 and 5 into 4. So our answer is 17 into 4, it is 68, 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20. So 68 minus 45, we will get 23 by 20, and this is our answer. Next it is given 12 by 5 multiplied with negative 10 by 3. So multiplication, numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator. So 12 10s are, it is negative 120, 5 3s are 15. So we know 15 1s are 15 and 15 8s are 120. So negative sign is there, so it will be negative 8. So therefore we got the answer negative 8. Next we will solve. It is given 4 3 by 8 divided by 25 by 18. So first we will convert this into a mixed fraction, that is 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3 it is 35 by 8. Division means we can carry it with the division is given in the fraction, then we can write multiplication and this will become reciprocal, that is 18 by 25 it will become. Now if we will see here cross, it is divided, that is 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35, and here 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So we got what is remaining, 7 by 4 into 9 by 5. So that is 7 into 9 and 4 into 5. 7 9s are 63 and 4 5s are 20. So we got the answer 63 by 20. This is our answer. Now next it is given, construct triangle such that measure of angle A is equal to 55, measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree and length of AB is given 5.9. So first we can draw the rough figure for this rough figure. So first we will draw the length. It is the triangle, both are acute, so we will get in this form. So this is 5.9 centimeter. Triangle name is given ABC, but AB length is given. So this is A, this is B and this is C. Measure of angle it is given 55 degree and measure of angle B is given 60 degree. So first we will draw the length AB 5.9 centimeter. So 5.9 we will draw. Okay, so this is 5.9 centimeter and name of the segment is AB. Then measure of angle A it is given 55. So take the protector and mark 55 degree. So keep exactly 0 should lie. So here it is given 55. So 50 55. So mark 55 and draw straight line. And next it is given angle B 60 degree. So again you take off, keep the point B coincide with 0 and it is given 60 degrees. So 60 is here. Mark the point and draw the straight line. So this is our C. So this is measure of angle 55 degree. This is our 60 degree. Length of AB is given 5.9 centimeters. So this is the triangle we have to draw. We have constructed. Now next it is given, construct triangle XYZ such that length of XY it is given length of XY it is given 3.7 centimeter. Length of YZ it is given 7.7 centimeter and length of XZ it is given 6.3 centimeter. So here when we are drawing, three sides are given, we have to draw the longest side first. So we will draw in the rough figure first. So longest is 7.7. So we will draw that longest rough figure. It is given name YZ. So it is given 7.7 centimeter. Then length of XZ it is given 6. Length of XZ it is given 6.3. So here XZ it will be 6.3 and XY it will be X. This is X. So XY this is 3.7 centimeter and XZ it is 6.3 centimeter. So we will draw. So first we will draw the length, that is 7.7 centimeter. So here I have drawn the length y, z 7.7 centimeter. Then we will take the compass and we will adjust first of all 6.3 centimeter, because z it is given 6.3. So adjust the distance from the compass and make the arc. Okay, now here it is given yx 3.7. So take the distance 3.7 and keep on y, and see it is here. So again you adjust the distance 6.3. So adjust the distance 6.3 again. So see where it intersects, that is the required triangle. So here it is intersecting, so it is x and this is 3.7 centimeter. And if you this we have measured, arc we got, this is 6.3 centimeter. And the name is triangle XYZ. Now next it is given question number 10. Construct triangle PQR such that measure of angle P is equal to 80 degree, measure of angle Q is equal to 70 degree, and length QR is given 5.7 centimeter. So see here, length if we are drawing 5.7 centimeter, it is given Q and R. So angle Q it is given 70 degree. It is 70 degree. And P it is given 80 degrees. So what will be the R? So how we will do? For construction we need R. So here it is given, this is PQR. So P it is given 80 degrees. So what way? So by the triangle property we can solve this. So by triangle property, therefore by triangle property we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now measure of angle P it is given 80 degree plus measure of angle Q it is given 70, and measure of angle we don't know, so we will get it now. So 70 plus 80 it is 150, plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. So measure of angle R is equal to 180 minus 150. So we will get 180 minus 150, 30. So measure of angle R is equal to 30 degree. So this, when we are drawing, this will be now 30 degree. So now we can draw. So first we will draw length, that is 5.7 centimeter. So QR it is 5.7 centimeter. Now take the compass and measure of angle Q it is given 70 degree. So mark 50, 60, 70. It is here. Okay. And R it is 30 degrees. So see the, keep the protector and 30 degree mark. So it is here. So we will get. So this is our required triangle. So this you can draw now. Okay. So here we got intersected. So this point is P, where it is. So PQR is the required angle. We got here 70 degree and this we got 30 degree. And here it was given 80 degree. So see, by the triangle property, we got this R, measure of angle R, and we have constructed the triangle. This is the required triangle. So here we have finished till question number 6 to 10. Next 11 to 15 we will solve in the next class. Thank you.